Hello. Hold on. I'm gonna start it here. I'm gonna start instead of Limbo. I'm gonna mute actually. Why not? Hello, everybody. This is gonna be a little short, quick video about. Wow, that was so bad. Hello, everybody. I don't you normally post about stuff, but I'm gonna make a short, quick video on how to get to the Limbo. So, here's how you do it. All right, so you go first talk to Stella, and you want to claim her quest so you can get this stuff. Ignore this. So you can get the stuff so you can make the, I forgot what it's called, it's like a paper. So after you do that, you use the paper, and down here you'll have to make the glass candle, which will be need a Stella's candle and a null. After you make Stella's candle, I'm so stupid, sorry. After you make the glass candle, you're going to head all the way down. Alrighty, so you're going to head all the way over here to where the eyeball used to be in the old updates. And you're going to use the candle right here, and it'll open up this wall right here. And then you walk in, and it will be this room. Normally, over here, these candles would not be lit. They'll be fully, like, out. So, to light those, the first one will have to be this one. To do that, you have to at least have either undefined, nihility, defined. So to get the first candle, you're going to have to either use undefined, defined, or nihility. All three of those will work on it. So, you're going to grab the torch over here. There will be a torch right there. It will be right in front of the obby. You want to grab that, and when you do, here I can just show you. You want to grab this, and once you equip undefined, just give it about 10 seconds, let's say. About now. Come on. There. It would make the torch black. So basically, what you do with that torch is you go to that candle I was just pointing at, and you'll light the candle with this. And that's the easiest out of all of them. For the next one, it will be the torch to the right of it. Hold on, I can show you. Oh my god! Oh my... Basically, for this one, all you gotta do really is you gotta wait for a null biome, and that little resonance thing on the top of the mountain, you'll need to sacrifice a null to it, and now for the next hour, this candle will be lit up. So you'll have to do these two in an hour. But the next one will have to be this one, let's say. Next one is the hardest, to be honest. And what you have to do is wait for a null biome. You have to have, let's see, you have to have a rune of nothing. You have to have undefined on. You have to also put a question mark in chat. You have to stand on it. Can't forget about that. You have to have the black torch. I'm pretty sure, if I remember right, that's all you gotta do. And after that, that candle should light up after a couple of seconds. So, last but not least, we have the fourth candle. This one actually is really easy. All you gotta do, basically, with the candle in your inventory, let me find it. Hold on. Yeah. Alright. With the candle in your inventory right here, you have to find symbols around the cave map, basically. Around the cave map will be like a couple of symbols, and all you gotta do is just find them and stand right next to them and press them. With the candle on, of course. The first symbol, which they could be in any order, by the way. I only know 3 of them. First symbol is right down here. And after this isn't the first one. I'll show you the order. That's the first one that I know about. The second one is over at the waterfall. It's right over here. Pretty simple one. That's the first one you need to press. And then you go over to the statue right after the parkour. I'm gonna do the parkour real quick. Alright, after you get to the statue, you're going to want to take a left. And basically what that does, you'll find a symbol right here. This is the second one you have to push, for me at least. By the way, just a reminder, these will be randomized, and you can't click them in the same order as me, unless if you're lucky. Because it depends on the server, and changes every server. Because if I remember correctly, there is also one over here, but it didn't spawn for me, as you could see. So basically, that's it. After you do that, it'll light up, and you can head over there, and the portal will open. As simple as that. So, hope y'all grind this update. I don't know what to say. Bye-bye.